quality standards.
Okuraburoku hankore sambe y'obutimba bw'ensiri kubire kuriho omurukiko rubire rutebekanizibwa minisitiri w'ebyamagara orwejembiremu abembezi batari bamwe na bamwe kuruga omu kyanga kya Tooro hamwe na Bunyoro orubire rugenderire kuhanura ahanshonga ez'ebyamagara.
Turaze kugaba obutimba obu abine omuzogwe gwo kukwata obutimba bakabushara bakabugita ngo bakwata mukene abo turagweho ntuza kubakwata obutimba no bwa families kurango bwabarinda ahansiri
kukozesa kubi obutimba bwemubu government eriyo negenda kugaba obutimba bwemubu eno third phase kandi nintero muranga abantu kugamba ngu obutimba bwemubu bunu tubukose kurungi habokuba tuina target yokumara kimu malaria.
Abebembezi abereba ryo mu rukiko ru bashoborire ngu enkoresa mbi y'obutimba bw'ensiri keresireho mushwija gw'ensiri kweyongera kukwata abantu ba burijo.
Gali Mutoroko tuina groups 3 tuina abalimi tuina abasohi tuina abakulinda ebisoro. So buno obutimba nosanga obutimba buno bokozesibwe kubi ngaha mu Kanara sub county mu Kanara town kaso nebicweke ebinde biherene na River Semuliki babukozesa kukwata esamaki.
Kurugerera ara Adrico Moses or senior entomologist at the National Malaria Elimination Division of Ministry y'Amagara okugaba obutimba bw'ensiri kigenderire kwongera kurwandisa oburwire bw'omushija bw'ensiri omwihanga.
The last malaria indicator survey results of 2024 did so that we have seen increased number of malaria transmissions across Uganda, and because our weather tends to support all around mosquito breeding, and many of these mosquitoes breed not far away from our households.
Abakugu by'amagara bagire ngo okoresa kubi obutimba bw'ensiri n'ekyakabika hango kandi no muze mubi.
Kwanza noja kurwara omuswija kandi omuswija no gutalibaniza muno kandi gutwara sente nyingi. Yitwe nkabasaho na government tugenzere twabalira twarora ngo omuntu obwakurwara omuswija omurundi gumuguti nakosa sente zikwingura mutwali 10 nabwe kezo sente nyingi muno habo omuntu abulikiro kandi tosobora kwanenkurakurana obwiro bwao no bumara mwirwaro.
Did mention first of all these mosquito nets are treated with the insecticides, and these insecticides help us to kill and reduce the number of mosquitoes that breed in around or inside our homes or in around our homesteads. So when we do not use these mosquito nets for the intended purpose, we are likely to see increase in malaria transmissions, meaning that more people will get exposed to mosquitoes.
Francis Chibuka or RDC wa Kakomero ashabire government kwongera obutimba obu erukugabira abantu kwenda kugira ngo buri omwe ashicwe.
Onkatu agisabe bya okugamba bubiri akatimba kamwe oba bubiri a family y'abantu bashatu ekyo buri muntu ayine kutunga akatimba ke. Planning yaitwe ya Uganda should scale up.
Okwezi kwa munana government ekatongeza okugaba obutimba bw'ensiri n'ekigendererwa ky'okugaba obutimba miliyoni 25,800 omu district Uganda 3 okurwanisa oburwire bw'omushija gw'ensiri omwihanga. Amakuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki omuri Fort Portal.